Handmade work with hands that don't work. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Pat Russo. I'm a quadriplegic, paralyzed from the chest down. What makes me quadriplegic is the back of my arms and my fingers are paralyzed as well. Although quadriplegic is part of my definition, it's not what defines me. I don't dwell on the things I can't do. I focus on all that I can do. Excuses are only those that you choose to accept. I don't sit here and say, why me? I say, why not me? There's a purpose for this. With having that mindset, I find a passion in everything I do. And having that passion, I exceed what my mind thinks I'm capable of doing. I'm constantly looking for ways that I could be better than I was yesterday. And I will never give up or throw in a towel. I will always keep it pushing.